Welcome to this morning mobility practice. Let's get seated in a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders and chest. Allow your eyes to close, body to relax. Be in this very present state. Just be with yourself and no one else. Join your palms at heart center. Let's chant Om sound after the next inhalation. Inhale. A simple intention for today's practice. Once you're clear with it, gently relax your hands. Take your time to open your eyes. Beautiful. I welcome you to this day 26 of your 30-day journey. I hope you're feeling amazing. Let's get started by keeping your hands behind. Drop your both knees on the right side, 90-90. Just dropping, making sure the shoulders are down. Relaxing your face, letting the gravity take you through. Inhale up. Exhale, switch sides. We keep switching now without any pause. Last two, last one. Slowly come back, legs together. From here, just a very gentle push for your ankles. We'll come on to right side, your malasan, and the other leg is on the knee. So one knee on the floor, your right feet facing to the right side. You'll push the weight ahead and back. Push just as much as your body is allowing and back. Push and back. Push, back. Push, back. One good important key is to keep the heels closer but not touching your legs. Just gently where your heels can be on the floor. And from there, just 1 centimeter ahead. That's all. And back. Let's come on the knees and switch sides. Left, pushing ahead and back. Ahead and back. Ahead and back. Ahead and back. Hold and back. Slowly sit on your knees. Maybe use a cushion if this is uncomfortable for you. Just push your chest in and push your chest out. Push your chest in. Push your chest out. In and out. In and out. We'll do a circle from the chest. You're trying to rotate the chest in and just take your head with it. And reverse as much as you can. And relax, center. From here, let's come on to the knees. Slowly come on your both knees, facing one side. Take your right leg ahead, just 90 degree, creating a 90 degree between both the knees and the feet. Yes, once you're here, you take both the arms ahead, right leg is ahead, You pull like an archer from your left arm all the way to your elbow, and then extend the arm. Bend and go back. Again, like an archer, pull, extend, bend, extend, pull, extend, breathe, bend, extend, pull, extend, pull, extend. We do the same thing on the opposite side now. This was easy, right? Now we do the opposite side with the legs there itself. Pull, extend, bend, extend, pull, extend, bend, extend. 3, breathe, exhale, back and front. Pull, exhale. 2 more times by yourself. Relax the hands, drop the knees, breathe. Try to use the spine to twist, and when you're twisting, try to exhale. The exhalation will give you more space. Left leg ahead this time. We'll turn first on the right side. So both the arms ahead. Pull from the right arm. Extend without turning your hips. And back. Do not open your hips. Keep it wherever it is. Keep your neck tall. Last one. Other side. One last. Release the hands and the knees. Sit in Vajrasana and breathe. Even this might be a little challenging for getting access to sometimes. So just be okay with sitting on your hips. Take your hands ahead, further as ahead as you can in puppy. Take your knees back and push your shoulders down. And lift it up. Push your shoulder down. Lift it up. Push the shoulder down. Lift it up. Push the shoulder down. Up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now, from here only, just drop both the elbows further ahead. Don't bring them under your shoulder. Keep them ahead. Lift the palm and now go back. 1. Up. Exhale. Up. Exhale. Up. Exhale. Up. Release. Release the hands. Come back on your palms. And slowly get comfortable by sitting on your hips with one knee bent and the left leg straight on the side. Stay and breathe wherever you're comfortable. A little less wider is good. You should be able to ground both the hips on the floor. From here, taking your both the hands behind your head. Interlock it if you need to. And from there, just exhale. Try to reach the elbow to the knee and come up. Exhale. Come up. Exhale. Exhale. Use your obliques to keep it alive rather than just dropping it down. Active and alive. And slowly come back up. Just switch sides. Hands behind the head. Enjoy your practice. And release. Coming to butterfly. Wherever you are, just stay there. Flap your wings. Spine tall, shoulders relax. Close your legs and cross leg. From here, we'll take the right palm facing backwards up. So your palm turns backwards, external rotation in the arms, and you take it back, bend and try to reach your shoulder and push the elbow back and breathe. Just breathe here, ribcage relax, chest relax. Relax your face muscles and breathe. Slowly release. Lovely. We'll go for the same thing on the other side, palms facing up. Take it back, back, back. Try to bend and touch your shoulders. Use your palm to pull you back. Breathe. Breathe into the stretch. Neck straight. Chest in and breathe. And release. Just take your palms sideways and see the blood rushing down. Feel it. We'll take the both palms straight, right arm down, left arm up, eagle arm. Press into the palms, lift up and down, lift up and down, lift up and down, lift up and down. Open the palms, left palm down, right palm up, wrap, press it into the palms and lift up and down, up and down, up, down, up and down. Slowly release. Relax your hands. Feel that sensation around your shoulders. We'll cover our ears with the thumb and eyes with the fingertips, and we'll chant M sound, M, with the mouth closed for 5 times, as long as you can exhale. So the longer the exhalation, the longer the chant. So close your ears and eyes, inhale and begin. Keep the eyes closed, relax the hands once you're done, and just stay there without any movement. Be in stillness and observe the vibration. Very gently, take your time to lie down on the mat. Spread your palms facing upwards, shoulders relax, chin relax, face muscles surrender, toes relax. Allow your breath to be normal and natural. And breathe. Gently bring awareness back into your fingertips, your toes, and take your time to slowly come out of this place. Thank you so much for practicing with me.